Gotham, this is your only warning. Tomorrow, this will seem like child's play. This demonstration used just 5 ounces of my latest toxin. These are pure, perfect memories, crystallized moments of fear. Should you survive, you will find that increased synaptic plasticity has allowed your mind to record every aspect of this encounter with unusual clarity. Blood has been drawn away from your skin to serve more crucial functions. Perhaps you felt that, the cold chill of fear. Your pupils have by now dilated in desperate, straining effort to pick up what they can in the dark. Your muscles have tensed in anticipation of the moment he strikes. By now, you will be in a state of heightened alertness. The glands in your brain pumping a surge of hormones, norepinephrine, hydrocortisone, adrenaline through your insides. This is your fight or flight instinct calling. But let me be clear, you have no such choice. You are privileged men. The brain's fear mechanisms evolved in response to predation, to beasts hunting us in the dark. There can be few ordeals quite so evocative of our ancestral fears as this. Do you feel it as he chips away at your number? The process is firing in your brains. Look at the Batman as they quake in terror at the creature who strikes from the dark. This is how you like your prey, yes? We both use fear, Dark Knight, but only one of us understands it.